Damn. Look at me all fucked up. Damn, baby, you be sexy. All y'all girls, you know, look at this beat. I don't wanna close my eyes and I want you right next to me. Look at, just listen to my voice, baby, you the cutest. Damn, baby, let me fucking kiss you. That's right, damn. Let me freaking kiss you, let me take you anything you want. Let's go home, let's go far away from here. Damn, all these freaking girls gonna be hating on you, baby, cause you that cute girl that I was freaking daydreaming in my freaking life. Look at me all zoned out, blown out. Yeah, kick the codeine out. Look at me rapping prices to click down. You gonna be that princess everybody gonna be wanting. Damn, so let me tell all them freaking boys, I'm sorry, damn. She her heart is taken by little E. Look at all tripping out and she, damn, I got this freaking mode, damn, got this freaking motive going crazy for all these pretty girls home. Damn, I'm sorry you won't be here on me. Talk about a lot of girls, baby, but always freaking know that you always gonna be that one girl. I will always freaking wait for my entire career, baby. You always gonna be seeing me riding through my freaking Beamer with my freaking friends. I'm always gonna be looking at you with this sort of way. I got this love locked down. Look at me just going crazy, damn. Feeling this freaking beat going through your freaking body every time you feel my voice. Just look at me sending you kisses through the freaking mic. Tell me what other nigga gonna be doing that for you, yeah. Look at me getting in the freaking mood. Damn, don't wanna get locked up anymore, man. That was so freaking crazy what been happening in my freaking life. Every freaking struggle, everybody gonna be struggling. Everybody's in that speed zone, tryna hustle through life with a couple money, but leave us prices to clicks. Gonna be freaking making that money, Little E's all fucked up right here. Listen to his freaking keys, I don't even know if I'ma be able to freaking drive back home. But to my nigga Rudy's house, I'm supposed to fucking go in hand to go see his cute baby. Hey, his little cute baby, that's just freaking born right here. But I'm out here freaking working, trying to make a fucking living for all of us. I'ma sacrifice myself for all this freaking prices to click, yeah. I see all my niggas down so depressed, always freaking twacked out, all drugged up, cause always freaking thinking having that low self-esteem,